Hi, everyone. It has been a long time, but we have another TOEIC lesson. And like usual, we are going to look at two very difficult TOEIC questions. And I'm going to give you the tips and vocab to answer these correctly. So let's get started. Let's improve our TOEIC score. Here is the first question. First, let's go over some key vocabulary. In the TOEIC statement, it says investment in modern infrastructure. So, what is infrastructure? Infrastructure are airports, roads, highways, telephone lines, water systems, etc. They are the things that a country needs to be successful, to work effectively. So, let's look at some examples. Over the past 50 years, the infrastructure of South Korea has improved tremendously. It has high speed trains, modern hospitals, and some of the best airports in the world. So, high speed trains and the tracks, the hospitals, this is all infrastructure. Now, one thing about infrastructure is it is non countable. So if I said the city is investing in infrastructures, this is wrong, correct? The city is investing in infrastructure. So infrastructure is a noun, it is non countable. Now that we know the vocabulary, let's get the answer for this TOEIC question. First, let's simplify the sentence into subject, verb, object. So our subject is investment. That is our noun. Our verb, we do not have a verb. We have no verb, and our object is more convenient travel. Okay, so simplified, investment blanks more convenient travel. So we can see this is a cause and effect statement. The investment equals or causes more convenient travel, and we need a verb. Unfortunately, all the options can be verbs, sort of. So, first, eliminate A. When you are talking about a cause, for example, smoking can cause illness, you will use lead to, not lead by, but lead to. So, smoking can lead to illness. A bad economy can lead to an increase in crime. So, because we have the preposition by, we have led by, it is incorrect. We need led to. So, A is gone. Next, eliminate B, factored on. Factor on is not a verb. The phrase is factored into. And to factor into is help cause. An example, the warm weather factored into my decision to move to Las Vegas. So it influenced my decision. It helped cause my decision. But notice the form factor into, not factored on. Now we have B and C. We can eliminate C, result of. Result of is not a verb. Remember, we need a verb here. The verb forms of result are result in or result from. An example, weightlifting can result in muscle growth. So the cause results in effect. Or muscle growth can result from weightlifting. So the effect results from cause. So, are you ever tired? Well, you could say a lack of sleep results in my tiredness, or my tiredness results from a lack of sleep. So, if you use result of, this is used as a noun. An example, muscle growth is a result of weightlifting. So, you can see this as a noun, a result of. So she did weightlifting for a couple months. As a result, she gained muscle. So Her gaining muscle was a result of weightlifting. So, result of is noun. So, we know the best answer is allowed for. Allow for is a little different than just allow. Allow for is formal, academic, and it means to create a situation so this can happen. An example, giving a child the opportunity to explore the forest allows for the development of interest in nature. Or the new software allows for more communication amongst colleagues. So remember, allows for is to create the opportunity for. So we can see in this TOEIC question, investment in modern infrastructure allowed for more convenient travel in the region. We can eliminate A because we would need led to. We can eliminate C because we would need resulted in. And we can eliminate D because we would need factored into. So the only one that can be correct is B, allowed for. All right, let's look at one more question. Let's just start with one key vocabulary. When you hear a company will downsize, that means the company will become smaller. There will be fewer employees, fewer stores. Let's look at the news. It says Trump administration plans to downsize the Department of Health and Human Services. So they are going to make it smaller, probably fire many people. Or the next one, Nissan plans to downsize Japanese operations. So they're going to make the company smaller, which usually means fewer employees. So let's look at the basic idea here. Recently, the employees about losing their jobs because if the company downsizes, they will probably fire or lay off some employees. So now that we have the vocabulary, let's get the answer. First, eliminate B, have being. This will be wrong. Have being will be wrong 99.99% of the time. If you see has or have being on a TOEIC test, it will be wrong. So just eliminate that. So now we have been concerned, and have been concerning. To get the answer, you need to understand the verb concern. People often make a mistake with this word. It is wrong to say, I concerned about my brother. Correct? I am concerned about my brother, or my brother or my brother's situation concerns me. So when you are talking about a feeling, you will say someone is concerned about something. Someone, be verb, concerned about X. For example, I am concerned about my future. This is my feeling. But if I want to start with my future concerns me. So, scary thing or bad thing concerns person, but a person is concerned about scary or bad thing. One more example. Many citizens are concerned about the new government. So the citizens have this feeling, but the new government concerns many citizens. So when you are talking about a feeling, I am concerned, I was concerned. So let's look at this TOEIC question. Recently, the employees about potential downsizing in the company. Potential downsizing is the scary thing. So that could be our subject. Potential downsizing concerns the employees. But employees, they have the feeling. So the employees are concerned about potential downsizing. So if we make this present perfect, employees are concerned. If we go past, employees were concerned. And if we go present perfect, employees have been concerned. Therefore, the answer is A, have been concerned. So, once again, when you use concern, if it's your feeling or someone's feeling, they are concerned about something. They have been concerned about something. If you are talking about the scary thing, for example, you might say, I am concerned about my health. That's your feeling. My health concerns me. So, for this TOEIC question, we are talking about the employee's feeling. So, the answer is A. All right, thanks for joining me today. Now, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and check out my other lesson for more key TOEIC tips. Have a great day. Bye.